Hey guys, I wanted to unbox my Las Vegas EDC VIP box in front of you guys. It says the Insomniac thing on it. Oh, so pretty. So cool. Oh, we are all welcome here. And there's the headliners. Super cool. Peace, love, unity, and respect. That's what it's all about. Oh, okay. You're welcome here. Wow! So cool. I don't know if you can. Oh, you. Ah, that's so good. I'm so excited. Okay, what's in here? Okay, so I got my VIP badges, or my little wristlets. And then it looks like I got some sticker packs. We'll undo these in just a second. There's two of them. And then looks like some magnets. 2 packs of magnets. Super cool. I love the little. And then it looks like some keychains. Insomniac keychains. Super cool. And then what is this? Oh, I guess it goes this way. Super cool. Oh, they're little postcards. That is so cool. Any of my viewers want one of these? DM me, maybe I'll send you one. Super cool. So I got 2 packs of those. And then that's it for the merch stuff. And I think there's something in here. It's a little book. Super cool. And it's their 30-year anniversary this year, so they're doing this cool, like, free, what's it called? Parade in Las Vegas this year. Super cool. Yeah, it'll be my first year at EDC Las Vegas, so if anybody else is going that's a viewer of mine, I would love to meet you there. Just send me a DM. I'll also be doing some makeup tutorials from Camp EDC. So I'll be doing some, hopefully, live videos there. So stay tuned for that. Super cool. Wow, this is really cool. Alright, I think that's it. It goes in this nice little case. Oh, let's open the sticker packs. So we know what's in those. Let's see what stickers we got. Forbidden Kingdom. These are all so cool. And so yeah, we're staying at Camp EDC, and Friday just found out that they have a freaking talent show. So maybe I'll sing, maybe I'll do some painting, I don't know. There's a ton in here. We got 2 packs. This one, Forbidden Kingdom. Super cool. Oh, I hope that you guys, yeah, and then there's the magnets. For EDC Orlando, I got some hairpins. Those were cool. I'll show you guys those later. Hope you enjoyed my little unboxing, and maybe I'll see you there. Bye-bye.